What's up, YouTube? Value Hunter back at you with another unboxing friend mail video. Another friend mail video from my good pal SSG. And this one's pretty cool. It is a GAW win that I got from him. So let's get right into this package. So the funny thing about this one, SSG, I appreciate it, man. I know what's in here. This is the GAW win from his giveaway that he did a while back. And the funniest thing is that I got this package and I was like, man, I had so much on my plate that I needed to do. And I was like, I got some packages in I got to do an unbox for. And this is one of them. And I wanted to get to it. And it was like, I'll probably do it this weekend. And it ended up being Friday night. My youngest gets home from hitting the gym and football practice. He's a freshman in high school. And he's like, I want pizza. And I knew from watching the video what was in here. And I'm like, that's gonna make this unbox happen a little bit sooner than it would have otherwise. So SSG, dude, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. It's so funny, man. If you guys don't know SSG Coin and Silver Collector, you need to go check him out. Great channel, great content. Also a member of the U.S. Armed Forces, Army Sergeant, and I want to just say I appreciate your service, bro. You know, 9/11 is a motivating factor for a lot of people. I know that you and a lot of others have been motivated by events like this. And, you know, 9/11 was this week, and it hit home. It brought us all together, but it was just an act of war on our soil, and those that took motivation from that to keep us all safe and sound, let us sleep well at night, knowing that you're standing guard. Appreciate it, dude. And SSG did a giveaway, and I entered, and unbelievably won. It's just awesome, dude. This round, I am into the rounds these days, and I love toned rounds, and this thing is really bad to the bone, man. Beautiful 1 troy ounce. It's a silver trade unit. 999 fine, 31.1 grams. And it's got the eagle with the American flag. And the wreath and the stars. I mean, just absolutely killer design. Look at that thing. That eagle is screaming, dude. Flying the flag high. And then it's got the scales of trade with the weights in there. Thing is really cool, dude. Awesome giveaway. Who wouldn't love to have an ounce of silver in the stack? If you guys haven't participated in his giveaways and gotten over and checked out his content and chatted with him, you need to do so. So as he's doing this giveaway, the funny thing is, he goes, hey, I'm going to add an extra special giveaway to this drawing. I'm going to pull another name. I had already won an item on his giveaway, and he goes ahead and adds another item and says, I'm going to throw a Domino's gift card so somebody not only gets silver, but they get pizza. And sure enough, my name came up again, so he was able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone on the mail and stick these both in the same package. And I got one of these killer SSG stickers, which I appreciate, man. That thing is really cool. I appreciate it, SSG. The boy and I are going to go have some pizza right now. Let's make it a supreme. We'll be toasting to you, SSG. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'll put a link up for his channel in the description. You guys be sure to check him out. Comment, subscribe, hit that bell. And until next time, this is Value Hunter, and I'm signing out.